Hello everyone, this is Yash and you're watching my channel, and today we are gonna see a video of unboxing the new MacBook Pro 2017. That's the latest model till date.
I cut it with scissors. Now these are technically called scissors. They are meant to cut things. Now we have this box, and we'll open this box. Dun, dun. So this is a MacBook Pro, as you can see it. There's a logo. Someone has eaten half the apple. Quite a good logo. It's not coming out somehow. So there's one flap to take the laptop out, I guess, and the flap does the only thing of taking out the laptop. Very good. So this is MacBook Pro, and inside it is a cable. I don't know what, power cable maybe. So this is designed by Apple in California. Fine. So this is the charger, but it's a huge bulky charger. So there's another flap just for taking out the charger. So Apple has done got a bit with plastics and taken out. Fine. This okay, so the range. So some sort of guide. I think that's it. So this is the MacBook Pro, the much awaited. So let's just start and see it. Scissors, kindly stop your allotted work. Don't cut the sheets. Now I'll try to open it. Guess I could have got an extra hand. It would be good. Not to mention that. So let's open it. The other way around, and here we go. MacBook Pro, guys. And it's already starting. Great. It's as if it's sensing me. Okay, whatever. Keep this aside. So MacBook Pro starting for the first time in its life. It's giving birth to itself. Very nice. There are some things to display here and some languages that I really do not understand, but okay, I'll use English, so I'll use the touchpad here. It's quite smooth. I do not need to transfer any information right now, so I'll continue. This is location services. Yeah, I can enable this location services right now. I'll go. I have to agree to certain terms and conditions. There's no other way, so I'll agree. It's asking my name, so obviously I'll give my name. Okay. Whoa. So this is a wallpaper. Very nice wallpaper. It's nice to wallpaper, obviously with my display, and this is the MacBook Pro, my friends. Losing a focus here right now.
So guys, that was the MacBook Pro, and that is the MacBook Pro, the latest one, and it's a very high specification from the earlier one. It has 65% higher contrast, 5% higher brightness. It has 25% more colors, and the display seems quite vibrant in this particular laptop as compared to the previous one, which now seems quite dull. So overall, it has a great capability. You can install VMware and the VM player, and then you can install many number of different OS, and I will be doing a video about different kind of OS available and that you can use with MacBook Pro for different kind of works. So tune in and stick into this channel, subscribe, hit the bell button, and see you next time. Good day, bye.